Hi guys, welcome to the listening room with Walker, and I'm with.
Donald Kuna, known as Power Pin.
Showcase Power Pin, you good?
I'm good, my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How's your week?
Hectic, bro.
Hectic.
Yeah, it's always hectic.
And it's cold, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me about Tato Heights, man.
Yo!
I heard you saying that she's good with the step.
I'm facing you, Tato Heart.
Yeah.
Best vocalist ever, bro.
Yeah.
That's one she doesn't disappoint.
Mm.
Fit, yo, can tell you a lot about Tato, Fit.
Tell me about it. Tell me a lot. I want to hear the lot.
Yeah, Tato is one of the good writers. Fit, you know, when you listen to her songs,
yeah,
it's always storyline. You relate to the music.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we all feel music. We hear good time.
Yeah.
So Tato Heart, for me, is one of the best vocalists like currently. Yeah, currently is one of the best vocalists for me.
You're saying Babala Agalbon.
Ah, okay, kuna differences between bona.
Yeah.
But so far now mamela music wakhe since akhipha ingoma like kumazi ingoma zakhe ama hit.
Yeah.
And now mamela uyezwa ukuthi ngimamele music which ukuthi wonke umuntu relate ku. You understand?
All right.
So far uyazi na ingoma zikhiphile ama hits mfethu kuphela since angene kule game uyithatha yise kwenye level.
Ugcwele nge-style sakhe
ngicwele mfethu ngicwele.
Yeah.
Ngicwele.
So why would you go three step ngaba sharp more than piano?
No, I just listen to Litrika Shane Major League
DJs.
Hlanya mfethu gibele ngenye indlela which ukuthi bengacabangi ukuthi angagibela ngayo like not the way ezinayo lengoma yenze ngakhona like bengacabanga ukuthi angayigibela kanje le style sepiano sisengale sisounda ngenye indlela shuthi nawo amajita akwazi uku-eyeliner lengoma ngendlela esharp. So it dope so like ngisafuna more kuye ku 3 step.
Okay.
Yeah.
Usafuna gibele ngapha.
Yeah, ngisafuna track ezibhaya nje ku 3 step ngiyeza ukuthi khona into engaba right nje.
Yeah, cause khona le ngimamele anu Jazzworks nothuthela la 3 step but I got release yo but it's tough now.
Injalo bra we need more Tato Heart in 3 step and Afro house.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
so basically you're saying go piano nje.
No, that is why I'm saying she's the best vocalist currently for me. Because for effect yokuthi angakwazi ukugibela ku Afro, akwazi ukushaya piano, still sakhipha ama hits
everywhere. Yeah.
So lo muntu lo that is why ngumbeka as the best. You understand? Ngoba si lonke vocalist ezizothi mawugibeza ngapha still lisa excel. You understand to ungene kwenye genre but still sayenza more span sashama hit.
Okay. So basically with you are satisfied with the Tato Heart. So how do you feel with the matter yokuthi she doesn't have an album but she has a lot of work that she's done for people, mostly producers?
Flop la kule game le mfethu ukuthi awuspani wani khona abantu aba align izinto zakho.
Okay.
So bazokutshela ukuthi you are ready for album ungaba nazo ingoma ezibhaya wena but asubuthatha isinqumo egcineni when you are signed under a record label or something egcineni uthathela i record label isinqumo.
Okay.
So it's not like ezinye izinto angicabanga ukuthi album lingamhlula.
Yeah.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's a matter of lama record label nezinto abazibhalile ukuthi uzosinikeza ingoma eziso or everything hamba nomthetho.
So cause izinto ezishiwayo ukuthi no she's giving a lot to other producers, what will she be providing ku album yakhe? Do you think i-album yakhe will be just an album angeke ibe into eshisayo compared to ingoma azikhiphile so far? Because they're saying everything ayibhalayo it's too much for other people. She should give less to other people and save more for herself. Do you think makufika isikhathi sokuthi yena release like album siyobe singasatholi like umsoco serious out of her, or will we get more than she's giving kulama producers?
One thing kumele uyazi yabona, when someone she's the best to lento ayenzayo,
Yeah.
which ukuthi lento le mawuzalelwe yona into uzalelwe yona, no matter what, if you are here to heal us,
Yeah.
you definitely do. So whatever leyo lule ngoma bambiza kuba mgama features, ngisho ukuthi there are so many tracks that are unreleased aziyenzile, which ukuthi azikakaphumi, which ukuthi bakangazikhipha singakhala sibe short ukuthi uThato wakadbeka phethe into ezo. Mina I know uThato angakadumi, ingoma zakhe ngizazi ezinye angakadumi.
Yeah.
I understand, from emachitini.
Yeah.
I understand, so ngisho ukuthi angasigaya album eldo,
No, sure.
ngisho ukuthi angasigaya album eldo.
So kulelo album now we have producers ne?
Sure.
We have Ukabza, we have X Derby,
Yeah.
we have DJ Maphorisa,
Sure.
we have Calvin Momo, we have Sean Easy,
Yeah.
Sean Music.
Sure music. Sure.
Which producer do you think will produce the best album for Uthato Hearts? Sekuthiwa like simfake studio right now, we're recording the album like Uthato Hearts. Yiliphi producer so far kulawa sebenze now ocabanga ukuthi gets Uthato Hearts, gets style sakhe, like will get the best album out of her using this producer?
Okay.
Or should we just like mix those producers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mfethu uThato tariswa ngithi mina utalented for me. Ngeindlela eziningi, because whenever umnikeza iscoop uzosigibela, umnikeza something spiritual uzoyigibela.
Okay.
So which uThato mina ngumazi kuumuntu from before, bekuumuntu oshaya izinto spiritual, which ukuthi so for me umuntu angasipana naye ngayigaya Kevin Momo no Kabza the Small, they bangamgaya album best.
Usho kahle?
Yeah.
But mina ngicabanga umshonisi. So far.
Okay, ngoba umshonisi
far.
ngoba
So far.
umshonisi ngoba usipane naye.
No, basipani more. I think bayana ama-album ayi-3 so far.
Yeah. And then nale single qeda
Phumi eGalile.
Yeah.
Which is
it's
dope.
It's dope. Yeah, ngiyabameli is very dope. So okay, so far umshonisi, but remember Kabza bra.
Yeah.
Kevin Momo.
Yeah.
Bra, those guys,
Not even a Upori.
yeah. Pori, scoop wise, I can give it to
Upori,
him,
no
yeah.
X Derby.
Yeah, no extra. When we are going to scoop wise,
Yeah.
but status, she's spiritual.
So if we taking it spiritual,
Yeah,
Nangumshonisi, give us a spiritual one.
Yeah, uskayile, the spiritual one. But I feel like more Ukabza, she can do no Kabza bangashine there.
So when so basically you're saying a studio, a studio umfaka no Kabza no Calvin Momo.
Yeah,
Kube yibo aba-producer i-album la Uthato Hearts. Like shooting. So basically you're saying 5 tracks from Kabza, 5 tracks from Calvin Momo. You good with that?
Good, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. Mina on my side I beg to differ. I'd say a studio I'm taking X Derby.
Yeah.
And Umshonisi. For me.
For me, okay, for me, good tap.
Yeah.
Scoop, yeah. Scoop is just a scoop.
Yeah.
This is scoops as a strat. This is just a scoop as a strat.
Exactly,
So, but
because
let us come to something spiritual and music.
But why should it always be spiritual?
Because uThatilenta hiyo.
Yeah.
Mostly, yamatres kathato ujulile, bra.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's Tato for you. You need you relate to the music. Mamele. Buthi ngathi le situation there we are. Noma ngakushaya itrack nyane one manje nanomuhleli uthi ngitshela nanoma umuntu omdala uhlele naye
Ufaka Uthato Hearts.
Ufaka uThato.
Yeah.
Nalitime ligcina lithi le ngoma li yaphi.
Yiyo le.
Yangithola.
Yeah.
Ingoma ongakwazi ukuthi usidlale, like we relate storytelling bra. into esizaziyo umuntu makakhuluma ngento relate kuzo, that's whereby we feel music bele so feeling ngento around,
Relatable.
yeah. Is whereby we feel music kwakho ngamamelana noma ubani. So Tato for me, she's spiritual. Like
everything.
Like for as umuntu engimazi. Lana ngamamela ingoma ezibhaya man. Mawuza umuntu hlizi
asemoyeni.
Yeah, asemoyeni.
And they were thanda lo moya.
Mara that's Tato. In the way kumele umdefine ngakhona.
Spiritual.
Spiritual.
Showcase.
Spiritual.
With that being said, ne.
Yeah.
So right now, we have Tato, as we are saying. We did Tato Hart is the best vocalist so far.
Sure.
So, in that album, Tiwenji Nali siyahlanganisa. So, which features do you think should be there in terms of features?
In terms of producers or vocal?
No, vocal.
Vocal, you can go for Bawala M.
Okay, Babalwa M.
Tracy as usual, best collabo ever.
Yeah.
Then there is there is Poet or something.
Yeah. She's new.
Yeah.
Bangbonile.
Yeah. Dope.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
they can do something applying.
Okay.
Yeah, then who else? Oh, Skies.
Yeah.
Skies. Yeah, bro. Skies.
You're good with
Yeah, I'm
those
good.
ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now, they can do something too. And Youngster, yeah.
Youngster.
Awuthasevutha
awushi.
Hayi mfethu.
Yeah.
Khona abantu nje mawucabanga ngabo, you know ukuthi mawungahlanganiswa no2.
Yeah.
Definitely sure kuzophuma umlilo. So
Youngster no Tato Hart.
they must try that one too. Let's try that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Showcase.
They must try that one.
Clean. Sibonge lapho.